There are three ways to roll up an extension cord. One is the thumb over elbow method, which may end up leaving it twisted or kinked in some places if you don't rotate it with one arm and using the other arm. So you see it's getting wrapped up. That's okay. It's not the best for it. But in time, interior of the electrical cord can break down. But as you wrap it up, it makes for a nice wrap. And you plug in the male end to the female end, and it makes it nice and tight. However, again, you have some kinks in the electrical cord or some twists. So if you would like, there is another method, and then it's not that easy to unwind. But keep in mind, if you're going to do the thumb over the elbow, hand over the elbow method, then try to alternate hands so that you get a nice even wrap. And every other time, use every other arm, because then it'll help keep the line from getting kinks in it and twists. Or you could use the braided method. Take the male and female end together and slide the cord down till you get to the end. Then you loop it and you pull it. And underneath, and then pull it. Underneath, and you pull it. Underneath, then you pull it. And this is called the braided method, which does fairly well, keeps it intact. It's easy to undo. Once it's all complete, you can hang it, and it hangs pretty well. Then at the end, you can simply plug it, the male end into the female end together, and then you have a nice braided extension cord. And whenever you want to release it, unplug it, open it up, and then simply just pull it. Then it releases pretty easily. Releases all the way down. Now you're able to use the electrical cord again. Or the last method, a third way to wrap an extension cord is grabbing the female end, the one you plug into, hold it in your hand, do a soft loop, and then grab the cord again and twist it to come underneath. Grab the cord, lay it over, grab the cord, twist it in. Grab the cord, lay it over, grab the cord and twist it in. Lay it over and then twist it in. Lay it over and then twist it in. This prevents it from kinking and twisting. As you can tell, this one might have been the thumb, hand and elbow method several times, and then it got pinched together and wrapped up. This can create this little twist here and deteriorate the inside electrical cords. But if you do this simple method, then it allows it to stay free and be able to unravel quickly and easily and to keep it for long-term use. I hope this video helps. Find more real tips from the Dad Way.